Prince Harry in shock as he quits African charity amid foundation's mounting legal issues. The Duke of Sussex co-founded the charity in 2006 in honor of Princess Diana. Prince Harry is parting ways with Sentebale, an African charity he co-founded in honor of his mother, Princess Diana, nearly 2 decades ago. On Monday, the Duke of Sussex, his co-founder Prince Seeiso of Lesotho, and fellow trustees resigned amid tensions with Dr. Sophie Chandauka, the chair of the charity's board, according to the Times. Nearly 20 years ago, we founded Sentebale in honor of our mothers. Sentebale means forget-me-not in Sesotho, the local language of Lesotho, and it's what we've always promised for the young people we've served through this charity. Prince Harry and Prince Seeiso, who co-founded the charity in April 2006, said in a joint statement to the Times, "Today is no different. With heavy hearts, we have resigned from our roles as patrons of the organization until further notice, in support of and solidarity with the Board of Trustees who have had to do the same. It is devastating that the relationship between the charity's trustees and the chair of the board broke down beyond repair, creating an untenable situation." The Duke of Sussex co-founded the charity with Seeiso, whose mother died in 2003 after visiting Lesotho during his gap year in 2004. Sentebale was created to help people in Lesotho and Botswana living in poverty and those suffering from HIV and AIDS. According to the Times, the charity had carried out a restructuring of its board as confirmation of its strategy to redeploy senior roles to be proximate to most of the team and programs in Southern Africa. The outlet reported that Chandauka is believed to be suing the charity's trustees after they voiced concern over her leadership. Prince Harry and Prince Seeiso said the trustees acted in the best interest of the charity, despite ongoing tensions. With Chandauka, these trustees acted in the best interest of the charity in asking the chair to step down while keeping the well-being of staff in mind. In turn, she sued the charity to remain in this voluntary position, further underscoring the broken relationship. We thank all the trustees for their service over the years and are truly heartbroken they've had to follow through with this act, the statement continued. What's transpired is unthinkable. We are in shock that we have to do this, but we have a continued responsibility to Sentebale's beneficiaries, so we will be sharing all of our concerns with the Charity Commission as to how this came about. Although we may no longer be patrons, we'll always be its founders, and we will never forget what this charity is capable of achieving when it is in the right care, the statement concluded. In response, Chandauka reportedly filed a lawsuit against Sentebale in the High Court and accused both princes of playing the victim card, CBS reported. I chose to join Sentebale first and foremost as a proud African who understands that in the spirit of Ubuntu, interconnectedness, to whom much is given, much is expected, she said in a statement to CBS. Everything I do at Sentebale is in pursuit of the integrity of the organization, its mission, and the young people we serve. My actions are guided by the principles of fairness and equitable treatment for all, regardless of social status or financial means. There are people in this world who behave as though they are above the law and mistreat people, and then play the victim card and use the very press they disdain to harm people who have the courage to challenge their conduct. The statement continued. Discerning readers will ask themselves, why would the chair of the board report her own trustees to the Charity Commission? Why would the High Court of England and Wales accept her application to hear the matter at all if the case had no merit? Well, because beneath all the victim narrative and fiction that has been syndicated to press is the story of a woman who dared to blow the whistle about issues of poor governance, weak executive management, abuse of power, bullying, harassment, misogyny, misogyny directed towards black women, and the cover-up that ensued. I could be anyone.